Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You open Spotify and go straight to the item you want to share, song, album, or playlist. Make sure your app is updated and you're signed in so permissions and links work. Tap the three-dot menu on the item, then choose Share to see methods like copy link, Spotify code, or social apps. Do this now so you can pick the best delivery method for your recipient's device and account type. It makes the rest of the process reliable and fast. Once the Share menu appears, you decide how the other person will receive audio, link, code, or invite. Copy link gives you a URL to paste into chat or email, which is universal. If you want quick phone-to-phone transfer, tap the cover art to generate a Spotify code for scanning. For ongoing sharing, create a collaborative playlist and invite friends. This lets multiple people add tracks. Make sure you pick a method that matches their. You send the link or image through your chosen app and ask the recipient to open it. If you shared a Spotify code, they scan it inside Spotify using Search Camera. If you send a link, they tap it and Spotify opens. Confirm playback works because region locks or artist restrictions can prevent streaming. If they can't play the audio, update both apps, log out and in, or resend a copied link. That one troubleshooting step usually resolves most sharing failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.